What's going on, traders? It is 9:37 a.m., May 5th, Sunday, also known as Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo for everybody who celebrates it. That said, as you can see, I'm in the bots and not everything is red. I wanted to start off in the red area because see, there's some green up there. But I wanted to start off in the red just to give you guys an example of what's actually going on here. Okay, so we're going to start off with Solana here and go over here to transactions. And if you look at the date here, it had a transaction just yesterday. Okay, had one transaction in the last 24 hours. Has one that's set up waiting to be sold. There's probably some more down here. Yeah, here's another one that was purchased on 5/3. This was on 5/2, and they're just waiting to be sold. And I'm good with that. Not a problem. There's only a couple of bots on here, like this one, Filecoin bot. That is actually, it's sucking right now. Why is it sucking? Well, let's go over to the transactions and look. You'll see in a second. 4/9 was the last transaction date. It has 5 waiting to be sold from 4/9. There was one. Okay, there were 2 actual transactions that were completed back on 4/9. Yes, that's been a while. So the bot has actually been inactive since 4/9. That's nothing. We've got worse than that. I'm leaving it up and running because I'm diamond hands, people. I will hodl this till the earth catches fire because I know Bitcoin is going to turn around and it's going to bring Filecoin and other coins with it, especially when it goes to the moon. And it will go to the moon, trust me. So I'm holding on to this until it turns around and it goes back into the selling grid and we could start making profit on it again. I said there was worse. So let's look at Matic. Much worse. Hasn't been an active transaction on Matic since 3/27. It has 5. It has 5 ready to sell on the top end. And again, this isn't much better. NMR, again, 3/27. That was the last date that this was active as well. And as you can see, it had some buy and sells on, okay, like right there, it bought on 3/17, wasn't able to sell until 3/27. Same thing down here, a couple of those. This was 3/27, 3/27. So this was the same day, buy and sell both of those. And the rest, hey, we bought on 3/27, haven't been able to sell since because the market hasn't been helping us out. It went bearish on us. BTC USD, or yeah, USDT, excuse me, Tether. It's still doing okay. As you can see, it has some buy and some sell up there where we're ready to go. If I go back down here, this is all going to be just sell. It has nothing it can do but sell. There's no place that it can buy. Same thing with Matic down here. Sell. That's all it can do. I think Filecoin is the same. Yeah. So all three of those, they can't do anything until the market corrects itself and Bitcoin starts taking off. Once that happens, those bots will come back on. Or not that they're off, they're actually still on. They just don't, price is moving in the wrong direction. There's nothing that they can do. So once we get back up into that 70K range, all of those bots will turn active and go green, start selling again. Some of them will actually start buying again. But like I said, that won't be until we get back into the 70K ranges. Speaking of which, let's look at the chart. So we made a little bit more of a recovery. Not quite a full recovery, but hey, close enough. We're only like, I think like about $194 off, something like that. Anyway, whatever the difference is between these two prices, that's what we're off. And we're still trying to go up and recover fully. If we're able to do that, we'll most likely break through the 65K range. I did get my surge that put us up above the consolidation line right here. So that was cool, even though the surge went up, got stopped by this area of resistance that's right up in here. Went back down, tested the consolidation line, and bounced off of it pretty strong. Strong enough for us. I'm looking down here at the Impulse MACD right now, and I see we're about to make a crossover on that. Let me bring up the normal MACD. Boom. And yeah, that one's already, because of my settings, it's already saying, yes, we're good to go. And it's not turning down. It looks like it's continuing to go on a diagonal parallel there, which would mean we're still bullish. And today, the technicals over here on TradingView has changed from sell. That's what they were a day or two ago. And we're back into the buy mode. People actually do listen to that for whatever reason. It can be off. So I just disregarded. I don't know why I'm mentioning it now. Mostly because I just looked at it. I was like, oh, it says buy now. So hopefully, yes, that's a little bit of hopium in there. By this evening, by like 9 p.m., we'll be over 65K. We still have bullish momentum right now. Looks like we may be able to maintain it, even though this candle's red. If we're not able to maintain it, we'll most likely come back down here to test the consolidation line, which should hold, because it's also laying right across the Fibonacci 38.2 retracement level. So that old consolidation line actually is lining up with a Fibonacci level after the reset was caused. That happens quite often, guys, where an old consolidation line, once you reset your Fibonacci, they'll be laying on top of each other. That's another reason why I use them both. It's like they're interactive. That's the way the institutions use them. They know what they're doing. I haven't figured it all out yet, but as I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. So, like I said, I'm expecting us to get above 65K by the end of the day, by tonight sometime. We've still got enough bullish pressure and momentum going. I doubt very seriously if we're going to go back below 60K anytime soon. I don't see that happening. It could. This is cryptoverse. Let's not forget that. It could reverse on us at any moment. All it takes is a little bit of news coming out, and the price can go parabolic on us. So, in either direction. But I haven't seen anything in the news that would suggest any bad news coming out. So, I'm not looking or anticipating that in any way, shape, or form. All I see right now is good possibilities and the slight possibility of a retest down here on the consolidation line. We're looking at mostly upward momentum right now, guys. So that's what I'm expecting to happen. We're in the upper half of the consolidation channel, so we finally made it back up in here. We've got some support from the consolidation line. As far as I'm concerned, it's all good until the market tells me otherwise. So, I will not be here for several days this week. Don't know what those days are yet. So I can't say that I'll see you tomorrow. All I can say is have a blessed day. This is the Dark Sage, signing out. Peace.